What if I told you there's an island that existed on Google Earth, appeared on countless maps for over a century, and was even charted by famous explorers? But then, one day, poof, it vanished without a trace, leaving behind only questions and a fascinating mystery. No explosion, no flood, no alien invasion. Just gone. This is the bizarre story of Sandy Island, the mysterious landmass that fooled scientists, explorers, and even satellites for decades, challenging our understanding of cartography and geographical accuracy.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Cael, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
The story begins in the South Pacific, specifically in the Coral Sea, a vast and remote region between Australia and New Caledonia. This area is so isolated that even modern mapping services like Google Maps once confidently asserted, "Trust me, it's there," pointing to a phantom landmass. In 1774, the renowned British explorer Captain James Cook charted an island in that very area during his second voyage of discovery. Then, much later, in 1876, a whaling ship named the Velocity independently recorded its existence again, seemingly confirming Cook's earlier observation. This recorded data was subsequently copied into official British Admiralty charts, which were considered the gold standard for navigation at the time. From that point forward, Sandy Island officially existed on paper, appearing in countless maps, atlases, and even modern digital databases, solidifying its place in geographical records. Fast forward to 2012. A team of Australian scientists aboard the research vessel RV Southern Surveyor embarked on an expedition to confirm what everyone believed to be a real, tangible landmass. Their mission was to conduct geological research in the area, and Sandy Island was a planned stop. Coordinates were meticulously set, the ship's advanced sonar equipment was ready, and the crew was prepared for a routine survey. However, when they arrived at the supposed location of Sandy Island, there was absolutely nothing. Just deep blue water, plunging to depths of 1,400 meters, with not even a hint of a sandbar or any land formation. The scientists double-checked their instruments, confirming they were functioning perfectly. Their GPS readings were accurate, showing they were precisely at the coordinates where the island should have been. It quickly became clear that their maps, and indeed all maps, were wrong. The island simply did not exist, a shocking revelation for the scientific community. So, what exactly happened? It turns out Sandy Island was a cartographic ghost, a persistent error that had been perpetuated through generations of map-making. It was the result of human error that kept echoing through history, a testament to how easily mistakes can become entrenched as fact. When the whaling ship Velocity recorded it in the 1800s, they likely mistook large chunks of floating pumice for land. Pumice is a lightweight, porous volcanic rock that can float on water for extended periods, often appearing as solid ground from a distance, especially in poor visibility. Over time, this initial misidentification hardened into an island on paper, then became fossilized in subsequent maps. Each new generation of cartographers copied the previous one, assuming the information was accurate, and before long, the Phantom Island became an officially recognized geographical feature, despite its non-existence. It's the scientific version of the game of telephone, or I heard it from a friend of a friend, except that friend was a 19th century sailor squinting through fog and possibly misinterpreting what he saw. This highlights the challenges of early exploration and the reliance on subjective observations. Now you might think, big deal, one fake island. But Sandy Island's disappearance exposed a deeper, more critical issue. Even in our advanced digital age, we still inadvertently rely on old, sometimes flawed, historical data. This reliance can have significant consequences beyond just mapping. For decades, scientists and various organizations unknowingly used these faulty coordinates for crucial applications. This included developing accurate weather models, planning efficient shipping routes across the Pacific, and even calibrating sensitive satellite equipment, all based on the erroneous assumption of Sandy Island's presence. When the truth finally came out, Mapping agencies worldwide had to undertake a massive effort to update global databases. Google Earth, a primary source of geographical information for millions, officially erased it. In essence, the world collectively deleted an island that was never truly there, a unique event in modern cartography. It's like hitting backspace on geography, a profound correction to our collective understanding of the planet. Sandy Island never existed in reality, but its ghost serves as a powerful reminder of how human knowledge evolves and how our understanding of the world is constantly refined. From the earliest sailors' tales and rudimentary charts to today's precise digital mapping and satellite imagery, every map is merely a snapshot of what we currently think the world looks like. It reflects the best available information at a given time, subject to human perception and technological limitations. So next time you zoom into a tiny speck in the vast expanse of the ocean on your digital map, remember the curious case of Sandy Island. It reminds us that some places on the map might just be imagination wearing a coastline, a lingering echo of past observations and interpretations.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.